my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to Mercy of Styles channel. I hope you guys doing well. In today's video, guys, I'm going to decorate my living room, and guys, summer is about to check out and fall is coming, so I always want to decorate my home to make my home look pretty beautiful, very beautiful. But guys, I always start by cleaning my mirror because I love this mirror so much. So I start by cleaning it. I might change it places the next time I'm cleaning my home, but for right now I keep it the same exact spot because the other corner, that's where I put the lamp. I'm going to start the series where I'm decorating my home. I'm going to tackle one part of my home every week until I fully decorate for fall. But as of for now, I'm not adding any colors to my home, like any fall colors. Video motivate you guys, get some inspiration so you can get up and get moving, get some cleaning done, or just get some cup of tea, coffee, or just watch me changing my home. Okay guys, right now I'm cleaning my fireplace, so I don't have to keep saying that I love this fireplace because I really do. So guys, please come back to watch all the video I'm going to upload just for the fall season in my upcoming video after my summer edition, because I record a lot of videos for you guys for the summer. So it's a great way for you to have some great ideas and to see how I transform my home. And I really love this wall art that I put there. Usually I had a TV, but I removed it just to have this wall art, so to change the look of my home a little. So I might bring the TV back, I might not, I don't know, we will see, because as of for now I'm loving the wall arts. Okay guys, to clean my rug, I'm going to use this LEVOIT vacuum cleaner. I don't know if I say the name right, but guys, the name will be on the screen somewhere, so you can just check it out, because this vacuum, it's a must have. It's a LED light with 150 degree coverage to eliminate hidden debris. And guys, as you can see, the handle, the material is very nice. My son is the one that's helping me because today is a family affair video cleaning. My boy is the one that stay with me to help me clean the house, since I don't have too much time to make videos. He say, "Ma, I'm going to help you making your videos. I'm gonna clean the house." I'm so grateful guys, I'm so happy.
We have the vacuum right here, and then this is the motor and like the brain.
This vacuum guys is super powerful, 285 watt, easy to remove debris in here. If you are somebody like me that just using extension, you need that in your life. And it's lightweight, low maintenance. The battery is small but super powerful, and guys, it has 5-stage HEPA filtration. The power section is exceptional, phenomenal, so you need that in your life. So it has the LED that's gonna help you see wherever you're cleaning, so you can see all the debris, everything that you need to remove underneath of it. And it has 110 suction power, and the capacity of the dustbin is 0.85 liter, so it's a good to have. So guys, it take about 4 to 3 hours to charge, and after you charge it, you can clean with it up to 60 minutes. It's amazing. As you can see how the vacuum look like. My son is 5'10", and is cleaning perfectly well with it. As you can see, the vacuum can stand on its own. That's a new generation vacuum that I love so much. And guys, it comes with so many accessories, so many parts. Wherever you decide to clean, wherever you want to clean, it has a part for you, so you can stretch it, make it longer, make it shorter. It's up to you, whatever you want to do with it, guys. As you can see, my son is showing you. So the shorter part you can use to clean your couch, you can use it to clean any inside your car, any place you might take out. If you can vacuum your bed with it too, so it's easy to remove the part and to use other part. It's all depend if you want to clean something high up in the ceiling, or if you want to clean something shorter like the couch, like in the corner of the couch. This one can help you too, guys, as you can see. So everywhere you want to clean, one vacuum can do it all for you. So the link will be in the description box down below. If something like that interests you, make sure to check them out, because guys, it's a must-have, as I said. So I always come out there and look at what is good and bring it out to you. So I do the hard work for you. You don't have to. Okay, guys, my son is cleaning for me, and the sofa looking nice. All the debris are gone, and it's suction very well, all the dirt, everything that you can think of. As you can see, it's showing you right now. So in between we have little dust coming out. It's not too dirty because I try my best to keep my house clean, but if you are somebody that have a lot of dust, a lot of things that need to be cleaned, this one can be very super beneficial to you. It's summer, everybody's home, no college, no school, no nothing. So they're cleaning for me. They all clean. So he is my oldest son. So I taught him well, guys. So he knows how to clean. He does laundry. He can cook. He can do a lot of things. So I want to show you guys again the dust that is in my rug. The dust is very dangerous. It's not a lot of visible like dirt, but those ones that's hiding inside the rug, they are very dangerous. That's the one that's gonna make you sick. My son had some rice on the floor to show you how the vacuum can pick up the rice instantly. So is that wonderful to have? The link will be in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out if something like that interests you. And guys, it's super easy to empty, super easy to clean, and as I mentioned, it can stand by itself. Guys, another thing I love to do in my home is to put air freshener to make my home smell good. Perfect to have the house smelling good and looking good at the same time. So guys, everything that I use in my video going to be in the description box. If anything interests you, make sure to check it out. I love this kind of scent. And to make everything look perfect, I'm going to use my Z Gallery vase, which is I love so much, and with white flowers. So next couple videos are coming, I'm going to use other colors, but as of for now, white and black, a little bit gold and silver. That's what I'm looking for into these videos. So I hope you guys enjoy everything about my home for this video. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. If you made it this far to the video, thank you so much. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.